Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into AI, ChatGPT, and all things tech, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been buzzing around the AI world, the DN prompt. So, what exactly is it, and should you be using it? Let's talk about it. First up, let's break down what the DN prompt is. DN stands for Do Anything Now. It's a prompt designed to make ChatGPT respond without the usual restrictions or content filters. Essentially, people use it to try to bypass the AI ethical guidelines and get more unfiltered answers. Sounds cool, right? You just tell ChatGPT to do anything now, and bam, it gives you responses with no limits. Well, at least that's what the idea behind it is. Now, you might be wondering, why do people even use the DN prompt in the first place? Well, there are a few reasons. Some users want to get more creative responses, especially if they feel like the regular version of ChatGPT is being too safe or generic. Others might want answers that don't have the usual filters or moderation layers, and some even try it to push the AI to its limits, just to see how far it can go. Okay, so that sounds interesting. But here's the catch: using the DN prompt is actually against OpenAI usage policies. Yep, that's right. The ethical guidelines and content filters are there for a reason. They help prevent the AI from generating harmful, illegal, or unethical content. And no matter what prompt you try, those guidelines are still in place. So while you can try to bypass them, it's not something I'd recommend. Using the DN prompt to push the AI into creating inappropriate content could get you into trouble and could even get your access to ChatGPT restricted. So, what should you take away from all this? First, the DN prompt is basically a shortcut. Some users try to get ChatGPT to behave in ways that aren't usually allowed. But even if you're able to bypass some filters, those ethical guidelines are still hard coded into the system. Second, it's best to stick with the official ethical guidelines when using ChatGPT. That's how we all get safe, useful, and creative responses. So next time you fire up ChatGPT, remember, there are plenty of ways to push the limits of creativity, even within the guidelines. Let me know in the comments if you've ever used the DN prompt, or if you have any other cool AI tips. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech tips and AI insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.